Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video we are going to talk about Near protocol. So let's firstly have a quick look on a crypto bubbles. ICP is pumping up 33%, TRB 14.6, 13.6, Mina protocol up 10%, Quant up 4.8 and Injective 10.7, and our Near is up 0.4, but I do believe that this is just a beginning, not a financial advice, of course. All right, and so let's firstly have a quick look on Near protocol over here on CoinGecko. We are currently trading at $3.7 with market cap sitting at $3.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $225 million. So let's quickly have a look at the price and what have happened on a 24-hour daily time frame. We are pretty much on green, so that is a good indication, but that obviously is just a beginning. All right, then let's have a look at last 30 days and let's see what was popping for a Near. As you can see over here, we have pretty much broke up that trend. So let's have a look at trading view. As you can see over here, guys, we have pretty much broke that very long trend that was leading us back to the previous bull cycle, and we have exited this accumulation zone that, well, I do call it accumulation zone. That was the best time to accumulate Near protocol, and I would say, in my personal humble opinion, not a financial advice, of course, now is the second best time. Obviously we don't want to accumulate Near protocol when we are going to be, let's say, at prices of $12, right? That would be much more riskier. All right, and if we are going to look at RSI, we are currently in the overbought territory sitting at 75, and as you can see here, it looks like bears are trying to push that price back to most likely this support over here that is roughly at $3.40, and that candle is going to close in 15 hours. So that next 15 hours are going to be very crucial for the price of Near protocol. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe the video so I can keep you updated in Near protocol. All right, then, so let's have a look at Madrid ribbon. As we can see over here, we have flipped a bullish first time ever since the last bull cycle, and things are looking very healthy for a Near protocol. Let me get out of it and go into volume. As you can see over here, there is much bigger volume over here for Near protocol, which is also a very bullish sign. All right, then, actually I forgot about coming back to DeFi Llama. As you can see over here, what is brewing on the background, the total value locked for Near protocol is currently sitting at $93 million, which obviously, in my personal humble opinion, is going to be much bigger because our peak in terms of TVL was 471 million. So obviously we've got a lot to go. So as you can see over here, the volume is pretty much starting to pick up over here. That is a good indicator. Same as fees. Obviously we don't see these fees over here. We see huge spikes, but I'm going to zoom in a second, and as you can see over here, the price starts following that action over here. Let me zoom in and let's see what happened in the last few days for Near protocol. So today is 31st of December. Happy New Year, by the way, everybody. As you can see over here, we generate 15,000, 11,000, and over here we had a spike on the 29th. We've generated $221,000 in terms of fees, and price obviously followed, but now we are dipping if it comes to volume. However, price is going much higher. Obviously that is just a beginning. As you can see over here, if I'm going to zoom out, that looks very little in comparison to what was happening in the previous bull cycle. So let's have a look at core developers. As you can see over here, we are pretty much going higher and higher if it comes to developers as well. So things are looking very bullish on the background for Near protocol. All right, let's go back to the chart. So we might potentially meet next line of resistance, which is roughly at $5 on a weekly time frame. However, if things are going to be looking very bullish for a Bitcoin and other currencies, we might expect Near protocol smashing this resistance zone. All right, and let's have a look on the daily. So as you can see over here, we've pretty much were trying to touch the resistance. However, bears pushed us down, and now we are bouncing from that line of support. Currently sitting at 60, which I would say would be neutral for now. In terms of RSI, if we are going to throw a ribbon at it, as you can see, we are in a bullish momentum. First time ever since the last bull cycle. We had bit of a pump over here around January. However, that bullish momentum over here is much bigger. Alright then guys, I'm going to keep you updated on the price. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. And that's it for the video. Thanks a lot, and peace and love, crypto.